Here is my Patreon exclusive miniature to my common room ghost kit available to my Phantom patrons, and I'm going to show you how I painted it. First, I spray it down with a flat white primer. Using white will make it a lot easier when it comes to painting the ghost. After that, I get my paints, and this time I used Elephant Gray, White, Jet Black, Pavement, Granite Gray, and Arbor Green Apple Barrel brand acrylic paint. First, I like to start with the ghost, so I do a few coats of white on the ghost until I see that it has come out even, not worrying about hitting the hat or the couch or the scarf because we'll be going over those parts later. After painting the ghost, I like to start with the scarf. I use Elephant Gray and the Arbor Green, and I just alternate between the two colors all the way around until it is complete. Next, I use Jet Black on the hat and on the eyes. After that, I use Granite Gray for the cup. And before painting the couch, I get a small platform and lightly hot glue the miniature to the platform. That way I'm not touching the couch while I'm painting it. You can do this at the very beginning. I just waited until it was time to paint the couch. To finish up the painting, I use a couple of coats of pavement for the couch. After all of the painting is done, I like to use a satin clear spray paint finish. I like satin because it brings out all of the colors and gives it just a little bit of shine. I did add UV resin to the cup just like I did in my last video with my other ghost. This part is completely optional, but if you do have UV resin, you can check out my last video and see how I did that. This is the finished piece on how I painted it. You can paint it however you want to. And if you are interested in this miniature, check out the Phantom Patron tier under my Patreon at sceniccuriosities.com.